Okay, a couple other things I want to point out is just in general, chatting with your realtors, FHA is really going to be important this year, you guys, because FHA loans are definitely, we're getting a lot more FHA. Why? Two reasons. Because they reduced the monthly MIP down to 55 basis points, used to be 85 basis points, right? So that's one thing, because you guys don't do any FHA, which is why we're talking about this. And then the other reason is because cash out. We're starting to see that FHA is actually priced better than agency cash out. Okay, so that's the other thing you want to take a look at. The thing about FHA is that your FHA loans on purchases are going to look better when they're 90% and above. It makes more sense to go FHA 90% and above. In addition to that, the DTI, it says meet the sheet, is 57%. So you can go back to your, that's a big thing. So you can go back to your realtors and say, hey, listen, I can help you with your clients that have bad credit with the free rescore. I can help you with your clients that have higher, income issues, right? FHA allows you to add non-occupant co-clients. It's a lot more flexible with gifting, with who the giftors are. It's going to be better price on 90% and above, way better than agency, by the way. Okay. And on cash out, just so you know, there is no cash out hits on FHA. There's no physical cash out LLPAs, just so you know as well. So you need to be able to navigate FHA well. It goes also down to a 580 score, even on cash out. So you can go down 580 score, 1 to 4 units to 80 to 57%. You could do a purchase. I'm sorry, not 580 score, not to 57%. But you can do a 580 score. You can do a 580 score to, what is it? Where's the DTI here? 38 over 45. But if you have a 620 score, you can do a 620 score, 1 to 4 units cash out to 57%. And then if you have a 620 score on purchase, you can do 1 to 4 units, 96.5%, which is only 3.5% down to 57%. So you just kind of like, you guys aren't doing any FHA. You got to get FHA into your repertoire because this year it's all about affordable housing, right? All the agencies care about is affordable housing, how to get more people into homes. And you guys don't do any FHA. But this is
I want to bring out something.
Yeah.
We have a transaction now where there is a purchase. It's
Manny, you just muted. We can't hear you.
Everything look okay.
Yeah,
so, but on 4-unit building, we found out that FHA requires
a net sufficiency test.
Yes.
You got to be careful on that. Yeah.
Not careful. We have to know this because
this is know it, yeah.
This is non-go.
Yeah.
Because FHA with all of wisdom, they decided to put affordable housing for single-family homes, but not to 4-unit buildings.
Yeah,
because you practically cannot make a loan today, in my estimation, on 4-unit building, 3 to 4-unit building on FHA loans because numbers will not
pass. Yeah, I agree.
Let me maybe please explain to everyone because I know the rule. What is the rule? What does it mean?
Okay, so I'm not good at this either, but let's look it up. Hold on.
Then let me tell you what I know about this.
Yeah, please. I'll pull it up while you tell them.
Yeah, basically, the situation was that client was well qualified. Client could buy this property based on their own income. However, FHA requires that rent on the income, on the property income, has to be 75%, has to be equal to PITI. So in this case, the property it was 13, PITI was 13,000. So no, there was a $10,000 PITI. So rent had to be 13,000. I'm mixing up numbers, but the point is, it was impossible to make this deal.
I ran into the same problem on FHA on a different deal as well, with the 3 to 4 units.
What are you saying? Can you repeat this?
No, I said I ran into the same problem with another broker. They couldn't do. I mean, a lot of brokers that don't do FHA don't realize that there is this net sufficiency test, which is what I have on the portal, what you're looking at right now, but you do, just be mindful on a 3 to 4 unit that there's a test that has to be passed.
Yeah,
Now it's Aussy net sufficiency
Net sufficiency test.
test.
test. So your let me think. So you have to have your rent has to be 75% of PITI.
Yeah,
Okay.
Oh, your reverse money is 75% of rent has to cover PIPI.
75% of rent has to be covered by PITI.
yeah,
Okay.
Which is not easy.
which is
It's
not easy.
impossible.
Yeah.
Not in conventional sense. When you're buying a building and you want to move in one of your units, you eliminated one. You have 2 others, like in our case, where low rents, so you can increase rents during that period of time. So it's basically you cannot do FHA loan.
On 3 to 4 units.
That's right.
I agree. That's a
Aussy
really
and
hard one.
However, same building with 20% down, you can do conventional loan, no problem.
no, but this is no problem. We know that.
And I know,
Yeah.
but I'm just telling you that on conventional loans, 20% down, yes. So the question which I have to myself, could I done? No, I know the answer. I checked it. So same situation, if we would go to Luther Burbank, they would allow 80, 10, and 10. So in other words, if client has 10% down, and so Luther will be the only lender who I found out who can
That would do it.
first 80 on 80% with subordinated second behind from cemetery. So it is possible 10% down, but not less than 10%.
Yeah.